Hey y'all. So today I decided to come home and cook me a meal. Don't have anybody here, it's just me, but I decided I want to pamper myself and fix me something that I enjoy eating. So I came home and I decided to cook pork ribs. That's my pork ribs. I haven't put the barbecue sauce on it. And I have cornbread. And my pinto beans, they're still cooking. And you see where I already cut the cornbread because I couldn't wait because I like soft butter, y'all. So I'm getting ready to throw down. And the reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because I've always liked to cook, y'all. But when I start drinking and drugging, I forgot all about how much I enjoyed it. And when I did cook, it would be such a mess. It would be burnt up or not seasoned well. But now, you know what? I'm back and I can do the things that I enjoy. I hope you guys are staying sober. And remember, we love you here at Silver Lining. You guys take care and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.